Hi everyone, welcome to another video by Falcon Skill Development. Let's talk about Microsoft Power BI today. So what is Power BI? Power BI is a business intelligence tool. It is used to visualize, interactively explore and gain insights from the data. So typically we will have data on one side and we will have decision making process on the other side. Power BI helps us bridge the gap between the data and decision making process and enables us to practice data driven decision making. So, why visualize data? Because visualizing data helps us make decisions much faster and easier. Say, for example, if I want to figure out who my top customer is, I can look at this bar chart and then say SM20320 is my top customer. And if I want to know which month is my top sales month, I can easily look at this line chart and tell that it is October 2017. Imagine doing the same thing by scrolling millions and millions of rows of data points in an Excel spreadsheet. Very painful, right? So why Power BI? There are so many other BI tools in the market. Why should I pick Power BI? So here are my top reasons. Number one, it is easy to use. It is really easy to use. Number two, you can build amazing visuals and dashboards without any programming. Number three, it is self-service BI. The business users in a company need not rely completely on the data team. They can build their own charts and their own analysis. It integrates seamlessly with Microsoft 365 suite. Either it's Microsoft Teams or it is Microsoft OneDrive, the integration is seamless. So this is the Magic Quadrant for Analytics and BI platforms by Gartner. As you can see, Microsoft Power BI is at the top right corner. It is an unrivaled leader in this space. The last and most important reason why is that Power BI is more affordable than other BI platforms, and more than 6 million customers worldwide are currently using Power BI. Let me quickly show you what Power BI can do. So this is a typical dashboard you can build using Power BI. So at the top, you can see all these cards. These are used to represent the high level numbers. Then I have a line chart showing me the sales trend. Then I have a filled map chart. And at the bottom left, I have a stacked area chart and then the good old bar charts at the end. And also you may notice that I have placed all the filters or slices on the left hand side of the dashboard. So let's take a practical scenario. Say you're headed for a sales meeting and you would like to get some information on sales for 2017. Let's see how a dashboard like this can make your life easy. So since I'm only interested in 2017, I can just click here 2017 and the entire dashboard will refresh to show the data only for 2017. Now, so which was the day that had highest sales in 2017? As you can see, there's a spike here. If I come and I hover over here, I can see that October 24th had the highest sales in a day, and it was around $17,753. Okay, now over the whole year in 2017, which state had the highest sales? In the right hand side, as you can see, all the states are colored. The darker the color, it means it has higher the sales. So this is the darkest color among all these states. So let me hover over it. We can see that this is the state of California and it has a sales of around $150,000. Okay, interesting. So who are the top three customers that are responsible for the sales? So I can just click California. If I click California, the dashboard will again refresh to show only California data. And here I have the top three customers that are responsible for my sales in California. Notice a very interesting observation here. Here, NC18535 is my second biggest customer in terms of sales. But if you look for the same customer in terms of profit, it is not even there in the top 10. So a customer who is responsible for my second most sales is not giving me that much profit. That's a very interesting observation to have. So this is how we can take scenarios and answer business questions using a typical Power BI dashboard. And whatever I demonstrated just now is just the tip of the iceberg. Power BI can do much more than this. So who can learn Power BI? Students who are currently studying or who just graduated and aspiring to become data analysts, business analysts, or data scientists, professionals who want to leverage data to either improve the efficiency of their processes or reduce the costs in their own business area, and people with good knowledge in statistics who are looking for tools to implement their statistical knowledge in the business and gain business insights. Since there are no prerequisites in terms of programming, anybody can learn Power BI. Whoever is interested in learning how to leverage data to make better decisions can learn Power BI. We have an announcement. We are launching a 2-day Power BI course. The course will include an introduction to the features of Power BI Desktop, Power BI Server, and Power BI Mobile. The course is designed to be very hands-on. So the instructor will first explain the concepts and then guide the participants in a step-by-step manner and make them familiar with the tool. So the goal at the end of 2 days is that every participant should be able to build a very similar dashboard on their own. Thank you.